everybody, my name is Deepthi Sadhwani and you are watching me on Filmy Beat. The experience was surreal. I mean, I cannot explain it in words, the feeling, and I did not even understand what it actually means till the time I actually walked that red carpet. When I see other actresses over there, when I see Aishwarya and like other actors, all these international stars over there, it's like, was I actually there at the same place? See, even I don't know about them. There has been like a lot of speculation and news about it that people have paid to some agency, people have done this, done that. But frankly speaking, you can never pay and go to such a prestigious platform. आज सुबह भी मैंने कई सारे trolls देखे अपने. मैंने कहा it's okay. Just it can happen to Aishwarya, it can happen to me. Don't let me read it before my red carpet. And I just took a deep breath and I just walked the second red carpet. I of course like Nancy Tyagi's look. I liked Shobita's looks, and I liked Deepak Khosla's look. So these were the three people that I really loved their looks. That is a very inspiring story, and I'm glad it is picked up to this level that people are recognizing her. उससे मुझे लगता है कि नैन्सी से किसी का भी कोई comparison नहीं है. तो फिर अगर हम इंडिया से आके हिंदी में बात करें तो हमें क्यों ऐसे people criticize करें? तो ये चीज उन्होंने पूरी दुनिया को बता दी है और ये प्रूव कर दिया है कि अगर आपको इंग्लिश नहीं आती इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप इंटरनेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म पे नहीं पहुंच सकते हो.
Hi guys, welcome to Filmy Beat. This is Murtuza इकबाल और आज मेरे साथ है एक सिंगर, एक एक्ट्रेस और आजकल मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि सीधा कांस के रेड कार्पेट से आ गया फिल्मी बीट के ऑफिस में. Well, I'm talking about none other than Deepthi Sadhwani, who is here with us today. Hi Deepthi, welcome to Filmy Beat.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me on your show.
I am a bit upset.
Why?
मुझे बता देते कि आप कांस के लिए तैयार होके आ रहे हो, मैं भी ब्लैक टक्सीडो में आ जाता और फिर वो प्रॉपर हम जम जाते हैं यहाँ पे. But you're looking gorgeous today.
Thank you so much, Murtaza. I'll be honest with you. This dress was kept for a shoot over there.
Oh wow.
और मैं ये बैग में डालना भूल गई थी. I missed out on this dress. I was like, I better use this at this beautiful opportunity when I'm giving an interview for Cannes. So that's why. Semi-dressed.
Right. अभी next time से मैं भी ना black tuxedo में आने वाला हूँ. Whenever is Deepthi, मेरे Deepthi का इंटरव्यू होगा, चाहे वो कांस में लुक में आए कि नहीं, मैं black tuxedo में आने वाला हूँ. So Deepthi, of course, first of all, I have to start by asking this. How was the experience of being at Cannes?
Okay, the experience was surreal. I mean, I cannot explain it in words, the feeling, and I did not even understand what it actually means till the time I actually walked that red carpet. It is only कि वो walk करने के बाद आपको वो feeling समझ में आती है, and it takes a few days to actually sink in that feeling, which is still sinking inside me. कि हाँ, did I actually do it? Was I actually there? When I see other actresses over there, when I see Aishwarya and like other actors, all these international stars over there, it's like, was I actually there at the same place? So it's unbelievable. It's unbelievable.
Right, the first walk maybe जो आपने लिया होगा वहाँ पे, how was that? I think because there are hundreds of cameras on you from all the angles, from all the angles. तो वो कैसा feel होता है?
So cameras are there 360 degree.
Yeah.
And the moment from there's Hotel Martinez से लेके आपको वहाँ तक you have to go in their official limousine. So from there till the red carpet ends, there are thousands of cameras. So my first walk was on the opening day itself, on the opening ceremony. So my car was, so cars की ना celebs की line लगती है गाड़ियों में, you're on wait, and as and when the curtain opens, you are allowed. So when the curtain raiser happened, I think the 4th or the 5th number after, like Meryl Streep was there, she got an award. Then after 4 or 5 celebs, I was there, and when my car was waiting, like curtains are not opened yet, the ceremony is not happened, just 5 minutes more, your security check and all happened, just 5 minutes more, just wait. And I was like, oh god, it's gonna open, it's gonna open. And when it opened, I was like, itni jaldi meri baari aa gayi. But like, it was 6:30 it opened, and I think 6:34 p.m. I was there at the carpet. So moment I got down, people started applauding, like the fans are there on the right hand side, there are photographers there as well. And then I was like, okay, it's literally, I didn't have to wait. Immediately I was sent on the red carpet, and there are ushers to show you, like, okay, start moving. So I went there, and my trail was super long. My outfit was super heavy. So now I'm posing on one side, and the other side I have to turn. So how does my gown turn? Like how does my outfit turn around? So there were people to help at the red carpet. And then when there are thousands of cameras, you have to give your pose, your best pose to everybody. Like everybody has their poses, their sides, and all their looks. So you have to give like a good pose, क्योंकि आपको नहीं पता कौन से media house हाउस से कौन प्रेजेंट है, कौन कहाँ आपकी फोटो छपने वाली है.
Right.
So it's difficult, but yes, it's fun because you know those camera people there, they're shouting like वो लोग आपको ना ऐसी ऐसी बातें बोलते हैं. Oh, give us a smile, give us a flying kiss. Oh wow wow, and you give them a kiss like wow, give it this side also. You didn't give us a picture. तो सिर्फ आपके expressions आते हैं. So that's what was happening to me. Like they were very sweet to me, and yeah, that's how I got the poses.
Right, but did you miss the Indian paps?
एक्चुअली आई बी ऑनेस्ट विथ यू, मैंने अपने मन को यही समझाया था, दीप्ति घबराओ मत, वहाँ पे सिर्फ इतना फर्क है, इंडियन के जगह फिरंग पैप्स है,
हाँ.
ब्लैक कोट में है, तैयार होके खड़े हुए. That's the only difference. The way you know speak to Indian
Yeah.
paps, it's the same thing. So just be normal, like just smile, just be confident. So मैंने अपने आप को समझाया भी था. But yeah, I was missing the Indian paps. जैसे वो हिंदी में questions पूछते ना,
हाँ.
वाह मैम क्या लग रहे हो. तो बस वही वो लोग इंग्लिश में बोल रहे थे वहाँ पे.
Right,
That is the
correct.
only difference.
So, Nidhi, I would like to know for what purpose you were there for. Was there a brand, music, what it was you were there for?
So basically, I was there to watch the screening of 3 movies.
Okay.
The first one was the second act. Second one was O Canada. Then I was there for Arnold's The Bird. I think the question is like, why were you there? How were you there? So there's an entire process for which, like, I have an agency in Paris who manages
Right.
this for me. So it is a 1-year long process which they took to actually put in the accreditation, the profiling, and everything which happens with the festival de Cannes back to back. And then you get the accreditation, and
Yeah.
that's how you get invited to certain movie screenings. So I was not there for any brand. I was not there to promote any brand as such, but I was directly to watch the screening of the movies.
Correct. Did you get to meet any of the legendary celebs? You just said Meryl Streep was supposed to
Meryl Streep
walk
was
before
there.
you.
Yeah, she was like, I could
Yeah.
see her on the screen. So when
Yeah.
I was walking down, I could see her on the screen because she was like right 4 or 5 people like before me. So I was like, oh my gosh, she's there, and she got the Palme d'Or award
Yeah.
at that time. So like I was watching at her, at awestruck, and I forgot that people are clicking me at that time. You can see that in some of the pictures. So yeah, I saw her, and while I was at Martinez, Aishwarya had just finished with her the blue color
Yeah.
dress, red carpet. So she was just crossing me and going to her room. So I saw her. She looked so gorgeous. Like I was so I was so mesmerized watching her, the glow, the beauty on her face. It was amazing. And बाकी उसके अलावा तो इतने celebs दिखाई देते कि आपको पता भी नहीं होता है कि कौन है. Frankly speaking, there are Chinese celebrities, there are Korean celebrities, there are people, celebs from all countries. There are paps running behind them. मतलब एक होता है ना बाजार लगे
हाँ,
होते हैं
हाँ,
celebrities
हाँ,
की, बिल्कुल वही होता है. हर आपसे 1 फीट दूर हर जगह एक celebrity होता है, और शायद नाम भी नहीं पता होता है, but they are big in their countries.
Correct. Of course, I would like to know आपने जितने भी outfits आपने डॉन किए हैं, क्या concept था उसके पीछे, कितना time लगा उसको डिजाइन, like जो डिजाइनर है उनके
Yeah.
साथ डिस्कस करके वो
Yeah.
outfits डिसाइड करने में.
ओके तो पहले तो मुझे कंफ्यूजन था इंडियन डिजाइनर पहनूं इंटरनेशनल, बट मेरा ये था कि एटलीस्ट आई विल डू वन इंडियन डिजाइनर
Yeah.
टू प्रमोट अ कंट्री. सो I was thinking like big designers I have to do. I'll be honest, big designers were not ready to collaborate with me because I had never attended Cannes, and they were like,
Yeah.
is it fake or is it real? Like, is she actually going to attend Cannes and stuff? So we were trying with big designers. It didn't happen. So there's very good, very like best friend of mine. She and I, we went scouting looking for outfits, and then we realized that हम खुद क्यों नहीं बना सकते. We can make something on
Right.
international ground. बस ये है मेहनत थोड़ी ज़्यादा लगेगी. Approximately 45 days before Cannes, we started making. हमने सोचा 10-15 दिन में outfit बन जाएगा. ऐसे frills attach करके बनानी है. We got like one entire than of 100 meter. It got over. We got another than of 100
Oh my
meter.
God.
That also got over. We called for third one, which was like almost like 90 meters का use हुआ. So 3 full थाने लगी हैं. Color में
So around 300 meters of floor.
around 280
Yeah,
meter to be
280, yeah.
precise. उतना लग गया था. अभी कुछ कहती मेरे पास 20 मीटर रखा हुआ है, कुछ बनाना है. So design का we were confused क्या करें, but I was clear that I want a long trail for the first one because उससे ना एक that's eye
Yeah.
catchy for the people. So we decided for a long trail, but we didn't know कि वो frills को attach करने में इतना टाइम लगेगा. बहुत बारीकी से अटैच किए गए वो फ्रिल्स. पहले 2 लोग काम कर रहे थे, फिर 3 लोग हुए, फिर 4 लोग, 5 लोग डे एंड नाइट शिफ्ट पे लगे. फ्लाइट से 1 घंटा पहले वो आउटफिट कंप्लीट हुआ है. एंड फाइनली एंड इट्स वो वो जो डिजाइनर है ना, मतलब मेरी फ्रेंड है वो घर से काम करती है, उसका कोई शोरूम नहीं है, कोई कुछ नहीं है, तो उसके घर के रूम के अंदर वो ऑरेंज वाला आउटफिट बना था, उसकी रील भी मैंने पोस्ट की है, फुल मेकिंग डाला है मैंने। तो कॉन्सेप्ट उसने और मैंने मिलकर डिसाइड किया था, बिकॉज आई न्यू व्हाट लुक्स बेस्ट ऑन मी, और मैं अपनी स्टाइलिंग खुद करती हूँ, मैं पूरी फुल A to Z फुल स्टाइलिंग कांस की मैंने खुद की हुई थी। क्या हेयर स्टाइल होना चाहिए, क्या इयररिंग्स होनी चाहिए, क्या शूज पहनने चाहिए, वो सब मैंने खुद से डिसाइड किया था। Second outfit was by an international designer, Michael Cinco. I really wanted to wear his outfit. The good thing was I met him in Dubai, and I was like, I wanted to wear your outfit for Cannes. And उनके कई सारे outfits जाते Cannes पे, so he agreed to collaborate, which I was very happy about. So that was not custom made for me. That was a pre-existing outfit which he gave to me to wear, and it looked stunning. The lemon tree gown with the trail. Third one was by Nikita Tandon. She is based out of Delhi, and she's also a dear friend of mine. Her and my imagination regarding outfits really match. Like, you know, हम दोनों का conceptualization, because she does glitter, glam and handworks, and I love golds and glitters. I love them. So she did a gold color gown for me.
It looks stunning.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
So उसका actually cape ऊपर से standing था, but वो travel करते करते ना वो थोड़ा सा sit down हो गया था वो, फिर भी we managed to like hold it and wear it that way. In fact, you wouldn't even know कि वो dress के trials भी नहीं हुए थे, last bit पे it was loose from some places and we stitched it up and managed with safety pins.
It goes so much behind. We just see that you have walked the red carpet.
Exactly. Like my feet was swollen, my feet was, you know, bandaged all over. And still, you know, I was walking in these heels. But when you're there on the red carpet, you forget everything. आप भूल जाओगे आपके पैर में चोट है, हाथ में चोट है, आपके लंबा गाउन है, उस समय तो बस you'll just flying and, you know, you enjoy that walk.
Correct. You know, of course, everyone is of course praising the looks that you have, but
Thank
कहीं ना
you.
कहीं वो एक दो कमेंट्स आ जाते हैं जो
हाँ,
ट्रोल करते रहते हैं,
बहुत
लाइक
आते हैं।
ऐश्वर्या राय को ट्रोल कर लेते हैं
Exactly, मैं वही सोच के अपने आप के दिल को ना शांत कर रही थी. It's okay.
Yeah.
आज सुबह भी मैंने कई सारे ट्रोल्स देखे अपने, मैंने कहा it's okay. Just, you know, it can happen to Aishwarya, it can happen to me as
या
well.
तो मेरा क्वेश्चन यही था कि वो बॉदर करता है कि लाइक के
एक्चुअली फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग, जो फर्स्ट वाला मेरा आउटफिट था उस पर कई लोगों ने ट्रोल किया था कि ये नारंगी बन के क्यों घूम रही है कांस पे, इज शी वॉकिंग संतरा,
आई नागपुर से आई है क्या,
नागपुर. किसी ने ऑरेंज कैंडी के साथ मेरी फोटो लगा दी थी, किसी ने लिखा अरे मैचिंग आउटफिट्स लोग डालते हैं कि ये तो कॉपी किया हुआ है. फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग देयर वाज नथिंग कॉपीड. बाय चांस की बात है किसी ने थोड़ा बहुत सिमिलर पहन लिया हो तो इमेजिनेशन भी एक हद तक आप कर सकते हो ना आउटफिट. सो या देयर वाज नथिंग कॉपीड अबाउट इट, बट समरी लाइक अरे बहुत ठंड लग रही है इसको कांस पे, ये क्या अपना बोरिया बिस्तर साथ में लेके चल रही है क्या, ऐसे ऐसे कमेंट्स थे. और मैंने सेकंड रेड कार्पेट से पहले बाय चांस वो कमेंट्स पढ़ लिए. आई टुक माय फोन, आई टुक इट, गिव इट टू माय मेकअप आर्टिस्ट एंड जस्ट टेक दैट फोन अवे फ्रॉम मी, डोंट लेट मी रीड इट बिफोर माय रेड कार्पेट. एंड देन आई जस्ट टुक अ डीप ब्रेथ एंड आई जस्ट वॉकड द सेकंड रेड कार्पेट. अब मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा पढ़ना चालू कर रही हूँ धीरे धीरे क्योंकि नाउ आई एम लाइक डन विद द रेड कार्पेट. सो इट डज अफेक्ट, बट एटलीस्ट मैं एक ही चीज सोचती हूँ, आप टाइम निकाल के लिख तो रहे ना मेरे बारे में.
हाँ.
जरूरी क्या है, आप मेरी फोटो निकाल रहे हैं, आप उसके आगे ऑरेंज लगा रहे हैं, संतरा लगा रहे हैं, एडिट कर रहे हैं, इतना टाइम लगा के मेरे बारे में लिख तो रहे ना. सो दैट्स व्हाट मैटर्स.
Correct. You know, I would like to know. Recently, there were these all reports that जो कुछ influencers वहाँ गए थे, they paid to walk the red carpet. Is there anywhere the truth that you have to pay to the festival that हम आ रहे हैं तो? I mean, I don't know about them, but I'm just asking your
See,
point
even
of
I
view on
don't
this.
know about them. There has been like a lot of speculation and news about it that people have paid to some agency, people have done this, done that. But frankly speaking, you can never pay and go to such a prestigious platform. You are invited. There are ways that you can pitch in yourself. That is one possible way that you could do, but obviously you have to have some kind of profiling. But obviously there's collaboration that happens between brands and influencers, that they take you, they sponsor you to go over there, right? They don't pay you money maybe, but they you know, do your tickets, they do your everything, and they give you that platform. अगर कोई ब्रांड 5 इन्फ्लुएंसर्स को चूज कर रहा है कि हमें इनको लेके जाना है, उनके उसके पीछे कोई तो रीजन होगा, कुछ उनकी फॉलोइंग होगी, कुछ क्रेडिबिलिटी होगी, दे हैव देयर ओन ऑडियंस दैट दे आर एक्चुअली टेकिंग देम ओवर देयर. एंड क्रिएटर को वो प्लेटफॉर्म मिल रहा है कि उनको, यू नो, दे गेटिंग दैट काइंड ऑफ माइलेज जो वो खुद नहीं जा पाएंगे. देयर लॉट ऑफ ब्रांड्स हु टेक, यू नो, पहले बॉलीवुड स्टार्स को ज्यादा लेके जाते थे, अब मे बी दे नो द पावर ऑफ सोशल मीडिया, दे नो द पावर ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंसर्स एंड कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स, दैट दे आर टेकिंग देम इंस्टेड ऑफ बिगर स्टार्स. एंड ऑब्वियसली देयर आर लेस tantrums, we also know about it. So you know, they prefer to take the content creators now. So that's a win-win situation for both, but I don't think so anybody has paid and all. It's just going up out in the air. मतलब आप फेस्टिवल दी कांस को पे नहीं कर सकते हो. That is for sure. You cannot pay to the association and be there for sure. I don't know about the middle people, but over there you cannot pay.
करेक्ट। तो अगर आपने सबके अगर आउटफिट्स वगैरह चेक किए, हु हैज ग्रैब्ड योर अटेंशन मोस्ट? बिकॉज अगर मैं अपने हमारे सोशल मीडिया या हमारी चीजों की बात करूँ तो नैन्सी इज समवन हु हैज बिकम
Oh
अ टॉक
yeah,
ऑफ द
yeah,
टाउन, प्लस
absolutely.
देयर द रेड कार्पेट शी स्पीकिंग इन हिंदी,
हाँ,
रिप्रेजेंटिंग द कंट्री एंड हाउ।
exactly.
सो
So
हाउ आपको ऑफ कोर्स किसका सबसे ज्यादा पसंद आया है?
See, I of course like Nancy Tyagi's look. I liked Shobita's looks,
या
and I liked Deepak Khosla's look. So these were the three people that I really loved their looks. Shobita has, she did a purple outfit, golden outfit, and I loved all of them. Deepa's red outfit, I remember, and the silver first one she did was very good. Nancy's obviously all the outfits very nice, black sari and the first gown
या
she did. एक्चुअली उनका ना आउटफिट से ज़्यादा उनकी स्टोरी इतनी इंस्पिरेशनल है, सो दैट हैज टच्ड पीपल्स हार्ट्स.
करेक्ट।
सो इट रिमाइंड्स यू कि अगर चाइना से सेलिब्रिटी आते हैं वो चाइनीज से बात करते हैं, वो इंग्लिश
हाँ,
से बात नहीं करते हैं. अगर कोरियन आते हैं तो वो
कोरिया में बात
कोरियन
करते
लैंग्वेज में बात करते हैं. उनको तो हम नहीं बोलते कि अरे इनको इंग्लिश नहीं आती है, दे आर नॉट फिट टू बी हियर एट दिस प्लेटफॉर्म. तो फिर अगर हम इंडिया से आके हिंदी में बात करें तो हमें क्यों ऐसे पीपल क्रिटिसाइज करें.
यस
तो ये चीज़ उन्होंने पूरी दुनिया को बता दी है, और ये प्रूव कर दिया है कि अगर आपको इंग्लिश नहीं आती इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप इंटरनेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म पे नहीं पहुंच सकते हो. सो दैट इज अ वेरी इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी, एंड आई एम ग्लैड इट इज पिक्ड अप टू दिस लेवल
या
दैट पीपल आर रिकग्नाइजिंग हर. उससे मुझे लगता है कि नैन्सी से किसी का भी कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं है. देयर वर पीपल हु पुट माय कंपैरिजन पोस्ट आल्सो, किसी का कंपैरिजन नहीं है. शी हैज डन, शी इज आउटशाइन, शी इज आउटपरफॉर्म्ड, एंड her story is really inspirational for everybody. And जिस तरीके से उन्होंने आउटफिट खुद बनाए, ये बताया कि आपको महंगे डिजाइनर की भी जरूरत नहीं
यस
है to be there. So that is the best thing. Now she's opened way and path for many many girls from smaller cities. So that's the best thing.